Okay guys, back with the T-Top today. We got the tires barely fitting in the car, but they in there. The other pair's in the back seat. But yeah, I'm gonna go get the tires put on the car, or not put on the car, but get them mounted. Well, I guess we'll put them on the car while we're there too. And then we're going to go to the car wash. And I gotta go to the post office again because I forgot to mail something back yesterday. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let's get the car started up, let her warm up for a second, and then we'll be on our way. To the tire shop. They always so packed, but let's see, they got time to mount my tires. I hope it won't be too long of a wait. So she said it's an hour and a half wait. I'm hungry, so I'll probably get some food. I want to take the car to the car wash, but I'll probably wait until the tires are on it to do that so I can put my tire shine on. If y'all seen, I got some glitter tire shine, so I've been super excited to put that on. But yeah, gonna go ahead and figure something out. This is my food. It got cheese fries and a double cheeseburger. Smacking. I done ate, ran a couple errands, so hopefully, back at the tire shop, so hopefully they ready to get it up. Finally, our turn. My girl gonna get her new shoes on, cause you know, she was bald. Look at that. They cracking and stuff. She needed these. Y'all, they kicked me out the garage, so we waiting. Sitting outside right now. But yeah. So they finally finished. I knew it was gonna take a little bit, but it really don't look too different. But we got tread now. We're not gonna be slipping and sliding. Now that we finished washing the car, removing my tire shine from MSS, y'all, like I said, you see the glitter in it? It's gonna be so pretty. So I got 4 new tires. And then I got them put on the rims and I got them balanced. Doing that alone was like $140. And then the tires, 4 tires, I spent like $450. So around like $600 altogether. But we're gonna go ahead and put this on and get our tires nice and glittery. They say to use a brush. I don't have a brush, so that's why I'm just using a rag. I don't know about y'all, but I like stuff like this because I feel like it's just different. Especially being a girl, you know, anything glittery, I can't complain about. You see a lot better on this side. Y'all know that now I finished the suspension, so the car has full suspension all the way around. So yeah, she got new suspension, new wheels. She sits a lot better now, but the suspension is done. Because before she sat up kind of goofy looking, but yeah. And I'm gonna make sure I tag them as well, so y'all can go get you some tire shine. I think they look real pretty in the light. But yeah, car's washed.